What is this? Oh, it's like eye cream or something. I need this. The liquid gold. Smell. So this is what the $25. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, guys. So we are doing a new monthly subscription, and I think there's 4 different monthly subscription I already showed you guys for the past year in here in my channel. This one is a new subscription that I signed up few months ago, and I already received few boxes from them. I think it was January, February, and March. So there's 3 months of subscription that came in already in my house. This is Allure. This is the beauty Allure box. So I have 3 boxes in here. So we're opening 3 boxes from them. One of this I already opened, but I haven't tried the product. So the other 2 I tried my best not to open it, so because I wanted to feel like a surprise still. So I managed that. Promise. I managed it that I, don't open those other 2 ones. I heard so much about good thing in Allure bags, and before I sign up in here, or before I actually order this one, this is, I believe, it's like the $25 monthly subscription, and then they charge you $3 for the shipping, so it's total of $28. So I only did it like the cheapest one because I don't wanna start it the big one, and I wanted to try it first, and I wanted to show you guys what I actually got. But anyway, before I order this, I read the description. I watched some of the few of reviewer, and everybody seems like they really enjoy what they got, so I wanted to experience for myself. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this box because I don't know which one is the first one in here, but anyway, we're just gonna open this and see what's inside. Okay, so we know beauty best. Let's see. Oops, it's like there's a lot of little cards, so they give you a little booklet in here. It's kind of like what is skincare you're getting, or like if you do get it, so you have a little booklet to go through and read what inside for it. So this is what the $25. It's not very many, but I think there's good stuff in here, so let's just start that. So first one, this is like a little Ico London, and it's sharpener. So this is, we have Dusk to Dawn. So this one, nice color. This is like the eyeshadow, guys. Brown color. I think this is like daily eyeshadow look. So, and then the Dusk is the evening. This is like the darker one. This one is a perfect color for smoky eyes. Really, really creamy. And then you have the sharpener. This is actually all you need for traveling too. Next is tubing mascara. So the ultra volume mascara, and this is from Blink. I actually do need mascara. I was thinking about that. I have some few mascara, but it's not as, it's kind of older. So see the feel. This is like good for to go. I have this one, gentle skin cleanser, dry for normal. So that's, you have a mini one. And then what is this? Rich cream. What are those? Oh, it's like eye cream or something. Used for morning and evening, for apply for dry, clean skin. Small one. It's good for traveling. This is good. I like it. So far it's good. And Shani got Darden retinol serum. This is actually, I need this. I love serum skincare, guys. Oh my god, that's the first thing is actually gone from my skincare. This brand is really good. And then the last one, this is the liquid gold Concentrate for skincare. This is a full size. Nice. We have a one full size in here. What does it smell? This is Silk Protein. I never tried this one, but I'll definitely going to try this one because this is something like I have not tried in my skin, so I will try that. That is the first bag. I really like this one. Now the second box. The second box have the little booklet. This is a different one. So, and then you get a little card in here. And then this is what inside. Putting the first one. Beauty Bento from Kaja. Oh, I saw this one in Sephora. I was gonna buy this. Now I have it. I was looking at this actually 2 weeks ago. I was going to buy this. It's so funny because it's the same color that I was checking out actually. That's the first color. And then this is the second color. Look how pretty. It's like daily use. The third color, so it's like a little darker color right here, but it's so perfect. This is a really good eyeshadow. I like this one. I can't believe I was looking at this and now I have it. Okay, next, this one I don't know. It's like really small looking, but this is oil in serum overnight reset. It looks really cool. I haven't tried this one. This is nice. I like that. It seems like these Allure bags have really great product. The third one is the Perfect Stroke Mascara Volume. Oh, this is from Selena. I did have one of this in BoxyCharm, I think. But this is, I already have this one, and I think I showed you guys what I had last time. So that's the one. It's nice that I have two mascara, this one in here. Selena actually do have a good product as well. Instant Bright Eye Mask. I love masks. And then Christophe Robin. This is a daily hair cream with sandalwoods. Everything about this one I haven't tried it, so that's kind of good, but I want to smell. I'm always curious about the scent. The scent is the ones gonna want or not, I guess. I have another one. So this is the small one. This is the Healthy Base Layer. Another skincare, but this is, I believe, it's eye cream. So this is the eye cream, guys. So this one is 5-star eye cream. Another eye cream. So this three product is actually full size. So this one is the eye cream. That is the look inside. Another 5-star eye cream. Tell you guys what, every night or every day is I have to wear skincare because the skincare is actually really good for you guys' skin, especially when we're getting older, you know, stress every day or stress in our life, so we need a good skincare. So, but anyway, this is what I got in this box. My favorite in here, I think everything in this box is super great. My favorite one is this one because, like I mentioned it to you guys 2 weeks ago, I really want to get this. See, if I open this box when I got it, then I would see this one. I would probably used it already. So good thing I haven't opened it and I just opened it right now. So let's open the last box. This is our last box. Also have same thing, the little booklet right here. This is actually really good because if you get one of the items what's inside in here, you have a little booklet that you can actually read and description of how to use it or something like that. There's some good information in there. This is what I got for my third box. This is, what is this? The Brow Gel. Ooh, oh, the brow. But why is the color? See, it's like, I don't think I ever gonna use this one because I'm not medium brown. I am definitely dark brown for my eyebrows. So I would give this for someone that's lighter skin because this is not my color. But this is great. You do have like sharpener on the top. Next one, this is the Beauty Sleep Serum. Actually guys, I saw this brand in my Instagram few times already. This is kinda, but never tried it and I don't know if it's good, but everything I seen it was a great review, so I definitely going to try this. They do have a strong scent. The rose water, loved rose water. They do have a big one of this one. I think I still have like the little one of this that are in my travel bags. I already know this one. This is the rose water from Heritage Store. So this is mineral mask. I don't use mask all the time, but there's nothing wrong to do another mask at least once a week or something like that. And then Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is another mask and this is a mask too. So we do have a 2 masks in this box. This one is the last items in the box. This is the M61 Powerful Skin Power Glow Feel. So I have like 3 inside. I will definitely need to try this one. So this is what I got from the 3rd box. It's mostly skincare. We only have one, like a crayon one, like for the brows, but it's not my color. They do have a really nice serum that they added in here. Definitely going to try that. My overall review on this beauty box is actually really great because they added a really great product in here. Like one of the skincare is actually more than was $25, and this box is $25. Like I mentioned earlier, it's $25 plus the $3 for shipping or something. So it's total $28, but it's super worth it. This is something that everyone love, is the skincare and the makeup, and they do have a really great makeup that they added in here and the skincare. So if you guys haven't tried it, you should try it because this is a really affordable box that you guys will receive every month. Anyway, that's everything I showed you guys, and I hope you guys like it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe now because I am going to do a giveaway on my channel very soon. So you guys, because I haven't done any giveaway this year on my channel. Usually I do it like once a year, so this is my 2nd year on my channel. So I want to do something like a giveaway makeup again, skincare. So watch out with those videos, probably sometimes when everything I put it together. So anyway guys, I'll see you again for my next video and next review on my channel. Bye. I'm